All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through for a little 2.3 action, 5-minute lesson on parallel lines and triangle sums. Okay, let's start with remembering how to copy an angle. We did this. Oh, you can see those angles. They're so light though. Here, I'll just draw some. So I don't think I have a straight line tool on this. How would I copy that yellow angle onto the purple line? We did this very quickly. Here's what you do. Set your compass, swoop it out. That was kind of fun. I just used my finger, okay? And then come over here and swoop it out, okay? Now measure your compass from here to here. Oh, I need to change color. So now I'll swoop this one out. Oh, it won't let me. There you go. Measure that. Come over here. Come on, let me do it. Measure that, and wherever they intersect, I have now copied the angle, okay? All right, now we're not going to do the construction again on the video because it's just a 5-minute lesson, but you guys practiced copying angles, and that's kind of the idea because, dots. How would you construct a line that's parallel? We're going to copy the angles so that we make congruent corresponding angles. So now here's your new theorems for today. Through a point, not on a line, there is one and only one line parallel to a given line. Does that make sense? So if you have a line B and a point P, there's only one line that's parallel to line B, and it's right here. That's kind of important because that's how we're going to prove this. So now look at this next theorem. The sum of the angles of a triangle is always 180. Could anybody figure out now, with the tools that we just armed ourselves with, how can we prove that to be true? I'll pause the video, let you think. Okay, I got a bunch of confused looks, so let's help you out. That is my job, okay? How could I prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180? I'll show you right here, okay? I'm trying to prove that if we have a triangle, then the measures of the three angles add to be 180. Okay, hey, Juna thinks she's got it. So what I want to do is, let's see, I'm going to move this down so I can write on it a little bit more, Juna, and then you are up. So if I was to have A and B, and then somewhere up here is point C. Juna, what do you think?
Just have to I don't know, maybe I'm just doing something.
Tell me what you think. How would we, do you have, I don't care if you're wrong at all. What's your guess on how we're going to prove that A plus B plus C equals 180?
I just thought if you copied all the angles and put them in a line.
Oh, that is kind of what we're going to do. That is kind of what we're kind of going to do. Are we able to construct a line parallel to AB through C? Are we able to do that?
Yeah.
So that would be our first step. Our step would be construct a line parallel to AB through C. And what would allow us to do that? The theorem that says through any one point, there is exactly one line parallel to another line. That's the theorem we just learned. Got it? Now, let me give you some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're trying to show that angles 6 plus 2 plus 3 equals 180, right? Well, this is your straight line thing, Juno. So what does angle 5 plus 6 plus 7 equal?
180.
And how do we know that they equal 180?
Because they're on a straight.
Because they form a straight line. However, angle 7, if I just extend this like this, you see the Z being formed here? You see that Z? So how is angle 7 related to angle 3?
They're the same.
And why do we know that they're the same? Because they are
Alternate interior.
alternate, and if lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are congruent. So angle 7 is congruent to angle 3. Similarly, June, angle 5 is congruent to what? To angle 2. You see the Z there? And since angle 5 is congruent to angle 2, and angle 7 is congruent to angle 3, we now know that angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 equals 180 by substitution. Now you're starting to do real proofs. This was the first one we've done where it's like, oh, okay, we can actually prove that now, and it makes sense. All right, thanks for following along. Boom!